Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You must check whether you're using Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab because the setup differs. Update with pip or conda if needed. Next, install a theme package, Jupyter Themes for Notebook or the Jupyter Lab theme extension for Lab using pip install or conda install. Once done, close any open Notebook tabs and restart the Jupyter server so the new theme files can be loaded and applied correctly. Now you'll apply and customize the dark theme step by step. If you're on Classic Notebook, run JTT1dork or JTT Monokai and include flags like FVIRA code to set a coding font, then reload the page. If you're on Jupyter Lab, enable the dark extension or install a third-party theme and rebuild the app when prompted, which may take a minute. Once applied, make sure to tweak contrast, font size, and cell colors via flags or the settings UI so readability fits your workflow. Finish by ensuring the theme persists and addressing common problems. Clear your browser cache and perform a hard reload so CSS and icons render the updated styles. Then save your workspace or export settings to lock preferences. Restart kernels to confirm code cells render with the new colors. If something goes wrong, check extension versions and rebuild Jupyter Lab and disable any conflicting extensions. This is the one troubleshooting tip that resolves most theme failures, so make sure you try it before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.